Please ensure we wear protective gloves before any operation. Please inspect the specified locations on the auger shaft for any broken shear pins. If a shear pin is found to be missing, it is important to replace the broken shear pins to protect the auger. To remove the broken shear pin, make sure to align the hole with the new shear pin. Then insert the new shear pin into the hole to poke out the broken one. Please caution that, collect broken bolts properly to prevent any danger. To replace it, take a shear pin and cotter pin inside the shear pins and cotter pins pack. Select a shear pin and align it with the corresponding hole. Insert the shear pin securely. Affix the cotter pin on top of the shear pin.